Hello everybody, this is Abraham with No Shirt Computer Services. What we got here today is something special. Let's open it up. This came all the way from Japan. No, Australia, sorry. Australia Post. Even farther. Let's get the declarations page. Australia Post Express. Get the box opened up. Here she is, my baby. So on top of having the real thing, I thought, well, why not put together a model? So we got some seats, we got the hull, we got some lights, some more lights, some more lights, some wheels, some glass, body parts, bottom of the car. This is not by any means a new kit. In fact, it's an old kit. The model is over 2007. Let's see. There's nothing on the box of which year it is, but this is 2007 through 2009. Some decals, some instructions, some more instructions. So I hope that I can find the paint that would be the same color as my car. And you know what's fun? Take old car to the old car show, brag about how much work you put in to get it working, running, looking the way it does, and have all the people ooh and ah you for your work, but having the little guy next to the big guy built in the same color, same everything, that's even more ooh and ah. Thank you for watching.